You paid for the ticket, but no one told you this part. At most airports, seniors quietly struggle through miles of walking, long security lines, and rush boarding, while a free legal service exists that can change everything. Airlines don't advertise it. They hope you never ask. The law that protects you. Most older travelers don't realize this, but wheelchair assistance is not charity, kindness, or a special favor. It is a federally protected right under the Air Carrier Access Act. The law is simple and powerful. If you request wheelchair assistance, the airline must provide it. They are not allowed to ask why you need it. They cannot demand medical papers. They cannot judge whether you look disabled enough. You don't need a permanent condition, a visible injury, or a doctor's letter. The moment you ask, the law is on your side. Delays may happen, but refusal is illegal. Many seniors hesitate because they think they must qualify. That hesitation is exactly what airlines count on. Why your reason is already valid. Aches, fatigue, anxiety, balance problems, or simply conserving energy for the trip ahead are all legally accepted reasons. Knee pain, arthritis flare-ups, shortness of breath, recovering from surgery, fear of falling, or exhaustion from long terminals are more than enough. Even if your issue is temporary, even if some days are better than others, the law does not require consistency. It requires a request. Airports today are massive. What used to be a short walk has become half a mile or more, often between connections. Wanting to avoid pain or exhaustion is not weakness. It is common sense and fully protected. Wheelchair assistance costs airlines money. Staff must be hired and trained. Chairs must be maintained. Schedules must be coordinated with security and boarding. Every request adds operational expense. That is why the option is buried during booking instead of clearly offered. Airlines are not breaking the law by hiding, but they are hoping you won't use it. This service is completely free to you. You already paid for it when you bought the ticket. You are not asking for special treatment. You are claiming a legal entitlement where airlines bury the option. During booking, when booking online, wheelchair assistance is rarely visible on the main screen. It hides under labels like special assistance, special needs, or additional services. Many seniors never click these sections because they assume they are only for severe disabilities. That assumption benefits the airline. The wording is intentional. The design is intentional. If you feel uncertain or uncomfortable clicking it, remember this. The option exists for you, and the law supports you fully. Understanding the 3 types of wheelchair. Help, not all wheelchair assistance is the same, and choosing the right type matters. The most common option is gate-to-gate service. This is ideal for seniors who can walk short distances, but want to avoid long terminal walks. You are assisted from check-in through security to the gate, and again at arrival to baggage claim or transportation. You only walk short, manageable distances, such as from your seat to the chair. Ramp service is designed for travelers who can walk but cannot handle stairs. This includes many seniors with knee replacements, severe arthritis, balance problems, or those using canes or walkers. With this service, boarding happens via a ramp or mechanical lift instead of stairs, and the attendant stays with you through the entire boarding process. Full assistance is for travelers who cannot walk independently. This includes help transferring from the wheelchair to the aircraft seat and coordinated support on board when needed. It is comprehensive, respectful, and designed to protect safety and dignity. Choosing the correct type prevents confusion, delays, and stress later. The exact words that make airlines act immediately. Language matters. When speaking to an airline, clarity triggers action. Saying, "I might need help," or maybe a wheelchair, creates hesitation and delays. Instead, be direct. Ask specifically for gate-to-gate wheelchair service, ramp service wheelchair assistance, or full wheelchair assistance. These phrases match internal airline codes. When you use them, your request is logged correctly and handled faster. Confidence is not rudeness, it is precision. When and how to request. Requesting assistance at least 48 hours before departure gives the airline time to schedule staff properly. Calling the airline directly is the most reliable method. Online check-in also works, though it is less consistent. Airport check-in counters can add the request if you arrive earlier than usual. Even at the gate, last-minute requests are still legal and must be honored. Third-party booking sites often fail to pass these requests along, so always confirm directly with the airline. Assuming it went through is one of the most common mistakes seniors make. Last-minute rule. Even if you forgot to request assistance in advance, you are still protected. At the gate, calmly tell the agent that you need wheelchair assistance for boarding and for your connection. The airline must provide it. There may be a short delay while staff is arranged, but denial is not allowed. Staffing shortages are not a legal excuse. Knowing this removes fear and gives you confidence, even during unexpected situations. The TSA Advantage, one of the biggest hidden benefits of wheelchair assistance, happens at security. Wheelchair passengers are escorted to the front of the security line, not the middle, not the back, the front. This applies at small airports and major international hubs. While regular security lines can take half an hour or more, assisted screening often takes just minutes. With TSA PreCheck, the process becomes even easier, with fewer items removed and faster clearance. For seniors, this is not just about speed. It reduces standing time, stress, and fatigue at the most overwhelming part of the airport. The sentence that instantly raises your priority. There is one phrase that immediately triggers faster action. I have a tight connection and need wheelchair assistance. Airlines are legally required to help you make your connection, and missed connections cost them money. Rebooking, hotels, meals, and complaints all add up. When you use this sentence, your request moves up the priority list. It works at check-in, at the gate, after landing, and even over the phone. It is not manipulation, it is understanding how the system works. Why international flights are often even better. On international trips, wheelchair assistance extends beyond the aircraft. Many countries follow international aviation rules that include help through passport control, customs, and baggage claim. In parts of Europe and the UK, infrastructure is often better, staff training is stronger, and assistance lounges are available. Some airports even allow assisted passengers to bypass long immigration lines. Requesting international arrival assistance ensures you are guided through the most confusing parts of the journey calmly and safely. Requesting the same attendant. Many people don't know this, but you can request a specific attendant for future flights. If you receive excellent service, ask for the attendant's name or ID. Calling the airline later and requesting them for your return flight flags your booking as high-touch service. Even if that exact person isn't available, airlines assign their most experienced staff. This small step dramatically improves consistency and care. Pre-boarding. Wheelchair passengers board before everyone else. Before Group 1, before first class, before elite frequent flyers. This gives you time, space, and calm. Overhead bins are empty. Flight attendants are fully available. There is no rushing, no pushing, no fall risk. Even if you walk onto the plane, you keep pre-boarding. The wheelchair can stop at the jet bridge. Simply adding the phrase, "I'll also need pre-boarding assistance," ensures this benefit is included. What to do if something goes wrong. If your wheelchair doesn't arrive, calmly inform the gate agent that you pre-requested assistance. If the issue isn't resolved quickly, ask for the complaint resolution officer. Every airline is legally required to have one available, and they must respond promptly. Document names, times, and details. If necessary, remind them that federal law requires accommodation. This isn't confrontation, it's enforcement of your rights. Wheelchair assistance is not about weakness, it is about safety, dignity, and using what the law already gives you. Seniors who know these rules travel with less pain, less stress, and more confidence. The system works best for those who understand it. Now you do. Use it every time you fly. If this helped you or someone you love, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with every senior traveler you know. Subscribe for more smart travel guidance airlines don't explain, and comment below if you want the next video on airport tips that save time, energy, and stress.